Okay, this is the lower attic. I didn't know I was going up here. But the house faces the south side of it. We got electric cable that's too close. Access is 22 by 22 inches. I'm glad we did though. Look at here. Glad we did. I'm glad we cared. Improper tape on the furnace flue, and it's disconnected. So the furnace is just venting into the attic space. How about that? Nice save, bud. Oh, we're also missing insulation, and we were at the other side too. But I guess I got a picture of this. But we're missing insulation on our air duct right there. That explains some of the operation. That's some kind of a filter thing. I better look at that. This system's so old it needs to be replaced regardless. But what is that? Some kind of a evaporator coil catch-all thing? I have no idea. Oh, and look at there. We got open electric junctions in the attic too. But the attic framing itself looks no different. We got some water staining right there. Sure do. Look at that. I'm glad I came up here.